if overkill was a Bluetooth speaker. Hey guys, how's it going? Justin here from Walts, and today we're taking a look at the Sony ULT Tower 10 Bluetooth speaker. This is a powerhouse designed to help elevate your party, and hopefully by the end of the video, we'll figure out if this is the right speaker for you. And make sure you stick around to the end of the video because we will be doing a sound test, and I might just have a coupon code for you. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. Now, in terms of size, the ULT Tower 10 is in what I would consider the large category of Bluetooth speakers. In fact, this is probably the largest Bluetooth speaker that I've ever reviewed. It stands at a height of 43 inches and a width of 16 and a depth of about 16 as well. Absolutely massive Bluetooth speaker. It's got a sleek black finish and a pretty sturdy build, but in no means was this built to, blend into your home. This is definitely more of a head turner, and I think it's supposed to stick out. At the top of the speaker is an integrated carry handle, and at the bottom you'll see there's some wheels as well. This is for easy portability, and although it is heavy, it can still be moved around by one person in most cases, which is pretty nice. One standout feature that I like is the 360-degree party lighting, and if you've been watching our videos for any period of time, you'll know that I'm a huge LED geek, so this is always an important feature for me, at least. The tower has dynamic multicolored LEDs both on the bottom and the top of the speaker, which sync to the music that you're listening to, which obviously is kind of what you want, but I just thought I'd throw that out there. And on the top of the control panel of the speaker, you can access different lighting controls, volume and playback. It's got this LED glass touch-like display on the top, so I think that's a really cool addition. And as far as connections, ULT Tower is most commonly connected with Bluetooth. However, that doesn't mean that's the only thing you can use. I will say though, with the Bluetooth 5.2, the range is extended and it's a lot less choppy. I know sometimes with speakers you can move them around and it just, they start to go out if your phone's too far, so definitely didn't really have that issue with this one. It also includes inputs like the stereo mini jack in, a USB-A, an optical digital input, and of course a guitar and microphone input, which I forgot to mention. The karaoke controls are actually hidden on the top of the speaker under this rubber, sealed cover. I didn't even realize this until I was near the end of my testing because I was like, hey, this definitely has karaoke capability, but why am I not finding the plug? So definitely cool that they integrate it at the top. I wouldn't have even known if I hadn't been messing with it. And you know what? That actually reminds me, it does have some microphone holders on the side that pop out. If you need them, great. If you don't, you can just slide them in. You don't even know they're there. Another unique feature is the TV sound booster. This is going to enhance your TV's audio by combining the speaker's powerful sound with your TV's output, delivering more immersive and, just overall a better viewing experience. This is due to having an optical port, which you never see on a Bluetooth speaker, so it's cool that they're like, hey, maybe somebody wants to hook this up to their TV, and there's a feature for that. Oh, and if you guys are enjoying the video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. It really does help me out. All right, audio. We got to talk audio because obviously it's the most important thing when we're talking about a Bluetooth speaker. Equipped with Sony's X-Balance speaker unit, the ULT Tower 10 does come with a massive 12.6-inch woofer, 2 tweeters, and 2 mid-range drivers. Definitely the biggest subwoofer I've seen in a Bluetooth speaker. So you're going to get pretty clear vocals and really good bass. It also has the ULT button on top, which is great for adjusting bass. There's 2 different modes. So if you want something a little bit less bassy, then you can go into that mode. Or of course, if you're kicking it up a notch and you need that bass, it does have that as well. Whether it's a backyard bash, a tailgate, or even just entertaining in your home, I definitely don't think you're going to have any issues as far as volume, clarity, and just overall performance. So yeah, I think that pretty much sums up the ULT Tower 10. It is time for the sound test, so we can wrap up the video here. I feel like this is a really cool speaker and definitely one of those pieces that, if you have it, a lot of people are going to be like, hey, what is this? This is super cool. I don't have anything like this. And, it should be because of the price tag, but, it does sound good. So overall, just a 10 out of 10 on my scale. Now, if you're looking to pick one of these up, you do get a special YouTube-only discount code for making it to the end of the video, so I'll make sure to link that down in the description. Also, before we go, I want to know down in the comments section what you think of the ULT Tower 10, and if you already own it, please share your experience. We'd love to hear from you. And if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and as always, we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you guys so much for making it to the end of the video. If this is a product that you're interested in, make sure to email me at youtube@walts so I can get you a special YouTube discount. If you haven't already, subscribe for more videos like these, and we'll see you in the next one.